Hi, I'm Pamela Islas, and today I'm going to talk about communication science. This is the ideal degree for young people who hope to transmit messages in a massive way so that the society is aware of different events of interest. This means that you will have the ability to interpret the socioeconomic, political, cultural, and sport reality of the country and even the world, and then prioritize and order data, facts, and other elements that will allow you to build a textual or audiovisual content that will be disseminated. Perhaps you are a little hesitant that the decision you will make, but that is why today I will talk to you about whether communication science is right for you. Sociology. Understanding societies is one of the skills you need to transmit messages in a massive and effective way. For that reason, you should pay close attention to the sociology, since sociology is the discipline that studies populations and the various phenomena, including religion, cultural, and economic ones. In other words, you can know and understand all the factors that influence the behavior of societies and the groups that inhabit them. For example, sociology will help you understand the dynamics of conflicts and the processes of change that a city, a state, or even a country undergoes. I am sure that this subject will help you with some problems with your friends and your family. Research methodology. The communicator is a researcher by nature. You will be trained to search for and collect data that will later be interpreted, organized, and shared. These kind of methods will definitely be useful both for theoretical work at the university and for professional practice. Statistics. Have you ever heard that the communicators don't know about numbers? This is a statement that is far from truth. Although logically you probably won't become a prodigious mathematician, it will teach you how to use numerical data to establish predictions, conclusions, or hypotheses. Radio and television journalists. If you're wondering what a career in communication science is all about, you need to know its relationship with radio and television. Without a doubt, radio and television journalism is one of the pillars of this degree. Radio, like many other broadcast media, allows communicate to transmit reports, news, chronicles, and editorials. Meanwhile, television journalism is responsible for managing and developing mass communication processes in audiovisual form. It also allows the development of journalistic genres and techniques and demands knowledge of production, public speaking, and body language. Production and editorial design. If you dream of becoming an integral communicator, you will not only know about the best practices for radio and television reporting. It is also important that you understand how newspapers, magazines, and other editorial media are produced and developed. Furtherly, this is something you will learn through the editorial production and design. By mastering this area, you will also be able to participate in the creative processes that allow for in the creation of books, both digital and traditional. Content analysis. Thanks to the communication science and specifically to subjects like this one, you will have the ability to guarantee the quality of textual, sound, and graphic contents before their diffusion. Among other things, you will know how to determine if the language and information of the materials is adapted to the characteristics of their possible receipts. In addition, you will learn to detect when a content has a balanced structure and reliable data. Human and citizenship education. When a person wonders what a career in law is about, they should know that being one of the professions that contributes to the strengthening of justice, it demands professionals with a high ethical and moral sense. In the case of communication science, the same is true. Although it will not qualify you to work in the world of law, due process is also fundamental in this discipline. Remember that you will become a specialist in mass communication, which means that messages you produce and develop we reach an important part of the community. So you have to be very responsible in this task. Like Bill Gates said, if he was down to his last dollar, he will spend it on public relations. Now I'm going to tell you the options that you will have to work. Web editor. Writing will become of your strength if you decide to study a degree in communication science. For that reason, by doing so, you will be able to become a web copywriter and excited at the dynamic job. An interesting fact about this job is that in addition to working in digital media, you can also work in marketing and advertising company. In this case, you will be in charge of writing content aimed at improving the marketing and exposure of certain product or brand. Investigative journalism. This job is one of the most exciting and demanding in the world of communication. By belonging to research on it of digital media, newspapers, magazines, television channels, or radio stations, you will have the responsibility to make findings and reach conclusions about facts of public interest. One of the things you should know in relation to this job is that you must develop it great rigor and thoroughness. Radio or television product. Remember I told you about the subject of radio and television journalism? Definitely much of the knowledge you will acquire through this subject will be put into practice if you chose this job. A radio or television producer is in charge of collecting, classifying, and providing information to be broadcast in programs and news programs, among other things. Commentator or narrator. If you prefer to be in front of the cameras or microphones instead of being in charge of production, these job alternatives are ideal for you. Working as a commentator or narrator will allow you to participate in broadcasting of major events, especially sports and entertainment, through radio and television as well as digital media. If you are interested in this job, especially in commentary, it is important that you take certified voiceover courses and strive to perfect your voice projection and diction. Communication advisor. The media is not the only source of work to graduates in communication science. If you graduate from this career, you will also be able to become an outstanding advisor for communication consulting companies. These types of companies provide their service to political teams, artists, athletes, different public figures, and organizations that need to transmit their messages and ideas in an effective and especially manner. Editor. If you consider yourself a man or woman of letters, one of the jobs you should aim for is that of editor of publishing companies. You will have to use your knowledge of spelling, grammar, and journalism to ensure the quality the text to be published. On the other hand, these specialists play a fundamental role in the creative processes of the editorial media, since they are in charge of proposing and setting topics of interest. Content marketing analysis. Nowadays, many brands have understood that one of the best ways to approach consumers is through valuable content that helps them satisfy their needs and solve their problems. For this reason, they turn to third parties, generally expert marketing companies, to produce and disseminate these materials. In turn, these kind of companies are usually made up of professionals from different areas, such as graduates in communication science. News presenter. From a journalist point of view, news programs represent an essential space to keep the community informed. These programs, which can be radio, television, and digital, collect and prioritize the most relevant information and disseminate it massively. Would you like to be in charge of transmitting this information to the society? If so, after graduating, try to get a job as a new anchor. If all these things about science communication interesting you, don't wait too much and dare yourself to this new experience. And that's all. Thank you so much.